Hello, thank you very much for joining me again. And this video, I'm going to show you how you can take out the text material from any pictures, any screenshot, any note section, or the PDF file. So let's go into the photos. Let's try from the photos, and in PDF and all other things are it is the same method. So just go. So I just took that screenshot. So let's try this. Let's say I wanna take out that text from my pictures. So by the way, this is the picture. Look at this. So I want to take out that particular text. So just press and hold. It will give you the magnifying thing, and you can just select whatever you want. And this is the ending and starting button things. Is also you can just reduce, and you can select whatever you want. So just copy it, and you can paste that thing anywhere you want. And this is the one method. And then in the same picture, if you go, you'll find this right corner. This is when you hit this, and it will highlight all available text on the picture, and then you can just copy and paste wherever you want. Okay, so just select all again, and you can copy those stuff, and you can paste anywhere in your social media. If you like that video, thumbs up.